This is my first coin from Provident Metals. First time ordering. I've seen this coin be made into a coin ring by Smug Works. He's a Instagram artist. He makes coin rings. He does excellent work. If you ever want to see some beautiful coin rings, go to Smug Works on Instagram. And I had to try this coin out for myself. So, like I said, I saw it on Provident for a pretty good price. I made some more pickups, so I wanted to show you all what I bought. So stay tuned. This is what I got. My second Provident magnet. My first one I received from International Stacker when I won one of his gauze. This is my first one that I received in my first purchase. It's a nice coin there. I'm gonna have to pick that one up as well. And I have the Aztec World of the Dragon copper round, 1 ounce silver, and another copper round. And I also picked up the easel, so I can display my coins when I do my videos. So this is all I've really picked up. Like I said, the inspiration for this purchase was Smug Works. I've seen some beautiful rings that coin rings that he created on his Instagram page, and I said I wanted to give it a try. So I bought this beautiful round.